Hello everyone, this is Yi from Custom Boat. Today we share this one, 9-meter Easy Craft Boat. Easy Craft Boat is one of our most popular model, especially in Australia, North America. For this 9-meter Easy Craft Boat, it's almost the same cabin layout, but the client added some optional accessories, like in the rails. They add the searchlight on the rails instead of the cabin roof. And also they added the two small hatch above the captain seats, passenger seats, so you can have fresh air into the cabin when driving. Okay, and we will show you the basic design for this easy craft boat. You can see on the bottom, the deep wave bottom design, the lifting sticks here, the pontoon on each side. Well, next we will show you the accessories, the color options for this 9-meter easy craft boat. It can carry about 10 people to go fishing, so perfect for family fishing. And if you would like to do fishing on the sea for 2 days, 1 day, you can select this model. Have the enough space to relax, to sleep. Also the Handbasin stove to meet your basic requirements on the sea. Searchlight on the rails, aluminum roof. Enclose the cabin, pontoon on each side. For 9-meter easy craft boat, usually client will select twin engine design, outboard engine. Currently, we made some modification for the transom. So for twin engines, it is okay to install the trim tabs as well. The Lincoln trim tab we install on the boat. On the stern, the client select two ladders. Currently, we fixed this place. So no matter with this lock, you can fix it. Different options you may see on our easy craft boat. The T ladder, this ladder, or some aluminum roof that with large rails. Different options. Also on the stern here, the client also add rod holders on the rails, which is optional. You can see if this needed for you. Also here, we made the sticker here to avoid the noise when fold and put. You can see many details on our boats. Sometimes you may see the boats, different brands, different manufacturer made the similar boats, but you can see the details like the stick here, the stainless steel accessories here, the stainless steel rod holders, also in some details like the door, like the any accessories. Also for the plate, aluminum plate, it is different aluminum plate. So you may see difference of the boat and also the price difference, the accessories difference. Aluminum hatch on the stern. As you know, for 9-meter easy craft boat, we design with separate toilet room. You have two options, the toilet room open door to the deck or to open inside cabin. For this boat, the client selects to open inside cabin. So when you use the marine toilet, no need to go outside cabin. You can use it conveniently, especially when in some cold weather. It would be convenient. No need to walk to the deck, then use it. Then you can use it conveniently. You can see if this option for you. Some people may prefer to have it open to the deck. So to avoid some smelly when in the cabin inside. So you can see which one you prefer. Here, some people would prefer to have another steering system so they can control the boat when cruising. You can see if this place needed, this is optional. If second steering system needed, or some people prefer to air conditioner inside cabin. So we will install a small generator here to power it. which is optional as well. You can see which optional accessories you would like to install, then communicate with us. We will see if other accessories needed for your boat. Next, we will go inside cabin and see the color options, see the layout of this one. Teak floor, which would be comfortable and soft. This window we will not install it when delivery to avoid damage, so you will need to install it when receiving, and we will share some instruction for you how to install it. No worries. And also here, the wire. You can see the wire to do the connection for the cabin light and to the whole boat, then to the battery. Separate toilet room door. Handbasin, stove. Some people prefer to have fridge here, so you can install the fridge in this place. Remove this storage box. Relaxing area, we will put cushions on it. Storage box, lifted table, 2 side seats. Behind this is the separate toilet room. Toilet, the shower. Shower is here. You can hide it when not needed. On the cabin roof, the client added 2 small hatch so can have fresh air into this place. The Bluetooth music system, switch control panel. For the lifted table, for the storage box, we will put cushions on it so people can sit, can sleep, can put their leg when lean on. For the passenger seats, it's the 2 side seats. You can sit forward like this and see the front view, or you can sit backward, talk with your friends, and use the lifted table. When lifted up, you can put some beers, drinks, some food here. When put it down and put cushions, it can be converted into a bed. So kids can sit here, can sleep here. So you can see this boat is convenient for family fishing, especially when you do fishing with your kids. Separate toilet room for girls. The table, the storage box to carry more stuff. So you can consider this one if you are looking for the family fishing with your family, with your friends, with your kids. And also for the teak floor, it is soft when you take off your shoes. Fold-down seats on the deck. The washing pump place. Currently, we install the washing pump behind this plate. You can see here, we add a bracket here to install the washing pump. So can protect the washing pump from the water on the deck or on the stern or any place. The battery box. Currently, we make the battery box here, battery switch here. Washing tank. Fold-down seats on the stern. Here we can see the bracket for the aluminum roof. So this boat is select the aluminum roof to the stern. Well, that's the basic layout of this 9-meter easy craft boat. You can see the seating area on the deck, 2 fold-down seats, 2 on the stern, 2 fold-down benches on the deck. Also the seating area inside cabin. So When you do fishing, you can sit and wait and talk. Some people prefer to add the table in the middle of the deck, so you can see which is optional. You can see the accessories you prefer when do fishing. Also, for some North American clients, they prefer to add the bracket here to install the downriggers. So different clients have different requirements for their fishing boat. You can let us know your requirements. We will recommend the one for you. Well, that's the basic layout of this 9-meter easy craft boat. If you have any requirements, if you have any info needed, you can contact us. We have the different size for easy craft boat from 6-meter to 11-meter, different carbon layout, different price. Contact me, follow my YouTube channel, and share the finished boats, and also share you the difference, especially like the battery switch here, like the accessories we install on the boat, the stainless steel one, the rod holder, the different accessories. You can compare and see the details. We also welcome you to visit our factory at your convenience to see the accessories, see the welding, see the building. Well, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.